Hey yo! Today we are going to be reviewing the Toyota Spacio. This is a very popular car, and because today is the first day of the 2022 World Cup, we are dressed appropriately. So thank you for watching this video. Subscribe, like the video, share it with your friends, and watch it up to the end because I have so many nice things that I'm going to show you about this popular car. Today we want to discover what makes this car very popular. Watch till the end. Let's go! Let's review this popular car called the Toyota Spacio. It's a simple design, very simple, nothing much to say about it. It is really simple as I can say. The Toyota Spacio is a very popular car in my country, Uganda. I'll start by reviewing the front part of the car. It has these fog lights that we are seeing right here and the big headlamps that also accommodate the indicators. The Toyota Spacio has a modern looking grille which gives it a very modern look. This particular one has alloy wheels and it has blinkers on the mirror right here. The side profile is just modest and it is a good looking hatchback. It's very popular with young people or people with small families. This is the G edition, so it comes with some extra features. For example, this one has a camera here at the back. Not all of them will have the camera. This is how the Toyota Spacio looks when you're seated in the driver's seat. You have your gauge cluster just in front of you. The steering wheel is small enough to be grabbed easily. As you can see, it has some simple storage just near the steering wheel. We have our controls for the mirrors, controls for the power windows, and then the steering wheel does not have so many buttons on it because this is an older version. You have a cup holder for the driver here, some simple storage here in the center, okay, for your documents and whatnot. You have your media controls using this screen, and then your climate control just on the center console. It is very easy to reach. It's within arm's reach distance. Then we have our gear selector right here. This one has just the simple gears: drive, neutral, reverse, and then 2 for gear number 2 specifically, and L for gear number 1, the lowest gear. The glove compartment and some simple storage up here. In the center, there's not much going on, just some deep storage here and nothing to cover the storage, so it's all just simple. The cup holder for the passenger is in the door bin right there. Otherwise there isn't much. You have your storage for your sunglasses up here, and the rest is just simple. As you can see, right now we don't have the battery in this car since it is in the bond, so we shall not be able to light anything, but it's a very good car. As you can see, The view is really, really good. In the back seat, I have plenty of leg room, and when it comes to the headroom, I also have enough headroom. Okay, this middle part here can fold. All you have to do is to pull here. You pull that string and then bring it down like this, and it will give you an armrest and then some cup holders. This particular one has a third row which is able to accommodate 1 adult or 2 small kids. They come complete with their headrests, which are kept just here. So if you want to get more storage in this car, all you have to do is to fold this down, is to fold this third row down, and you will be able to get space for more storage. Down here you have more storage, and the car is a comfortable 7-seater if you know how to use space. So that's all I had to show you about the Toyota Spacio. It is a good car in the city. It is a simple car. I'll put some specifications down in the description. Feel free to reach out to us if you want to get a car, and we can guide you. We have the service where we guide you on which car to get, and we go to the bond and try to negotiate for you and get the best price possible, because we understand the market and we can be able to guide you. It's a charged service, so reach out when you know you'll have to pay a small fee for our service. Thank you very much. Let's go.